Hey everybody, this is Dave Bensman with Bensman Home Computer Repair, and today I would like to talk about Windows 7 and why, if you are using Windows 7, you should stop. Let's take a look at the Windows Lifecycle fact sheet, and see here it says, this is actually, if you look right up here in the address bar, this is Microsoft's website, and right here it says Windows 8.1 and 7. And right here you'll see Windows 8.1 and Windows 7 Service Pack 1. Both of them are out of the mainstream support. The end of mainstream support was Windows 2015 and 2018 respectively. Now, if you look at the end of extended support here, you'll see that Windows 7.1 is going to be out of extended support after January 14th, 2020. Now, what does that mean? Well, if we go over here to this other Microsoft website, it shows you what mainstream support is, what extended support is, and what happens after you go beyond the end of extended support. When you're in mainstream support, which is the first 5 years of an operating system being out, you can see that all elements of the support are available. You can request to change non-security elements of the operating system. You get security updates, you get non-security updates, you get self-help support, and you can pay for support. After that 5 years is up, you're into extended support, and there you cannot request to make non-security updates to the operating system, but everything else is still available. Security updates, non-security updates, self-help support, and paid support. Now here's the thing. When you get beyond the end of your support, you get virtually nothing. You can't, obviously you can't request to make non-security changes to the operating system, but you do not get non-security updates. You don't get self-help support. You can't even pay for support unless you pay for the Extended Security Update Program. Now, what is the Extended Security Update Program? Basically, for 3 years after the operating system leaves extended support, you can pay Microsoft for them to give you security patches for your operating system. Now, this will only go for another 3 years, and you have to pay for it. I'm not sure exactly how much it is, but it only goes for 3 years, and it costs money. So, if you don't want to be in that boat, I would suggest that if you are running a computer that has Windows 7 Service Pack 1 or earlier, then now is a great time to get a new computer. I wouldn't upgrade my operating system on an older computer unless you really know what you're doing, because an older computer, you don't know how long the hardware is going to last. And it can be difficult to put a current operating system, which would be Windows 10, on an older machine. There might not be drivers available for it, and there might be a lot of troubleshooting that would have to be done to make it work. And then your older computer may not be up to the task of running a newer operating system. And then the newer operating system is going to run you $120. What I would do is I would probably look at getting a reasonably priced computer that's new. They range anywhere between $300 to $600. They come with Windows 10 already installed on them, and they're fairly plug and play unless you need them configured, which a competent technician can easily do. Like I said, if you're running Windows 7 Service Pack 1 or earlier, Vista, XP, now's a good time to get a new computer, because on January 14th of 2020, your operating system will no longer be supported by Microsoft. And that means every hacker on planet Earth can write malware for your operating system, and Microsoft will not even attempt to patch your operating system to protect it against that malware. I hope everybody found this video to be helpful. If so, please like and share it, and please subscribe to my channel. If anybody in the Memphis area needs in-home computer repair help of any kind, please feel free to give me, Dave Bensman, a ring at 901-830-4362, and please stay safe.